So this is a Dahon Mariner, which is one of their more popular models, and I'm going to show you the fold on it. You're going to put the kickstand up first, move the pedals so that the left-hand pedal is towards the front of the bike, right-hand pedal is towards the back of the bike. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to drop the seat all the way down and turn it backwards. After you've done that, you're going to flip open this quick release on the handlebars and rotate the brake levers just a little bit past straight down. Is the handlebars have to be in exactly the right position. There's adjustments to the handlebar height on these and angle adjustment, and I almost always have to do this and fiddle with it a couple times before I get exactly the right angle. But you rotate it so the brake levers are pointing down. The next thing you do is you're going to flip open this quick release, raise the handlebar stem until you see the red dot. The next thing you do here is rotate this out of the way, flip this lever down, and it goes down until it clicks. And the handlebars pivot down like so. And the idea is you need to have the handlebars below this metal plate right here, because that's going to be critical in the folding process. You have to have the handlebars positioned so that the brake levers don't interfere with the fold. And then the next thing you do is there's this safety catch right here. You're going to open this little plastic cover, pop open the main frame latch, and the bike folds in half like so. And there's a metal plate on one half and a magnet on the other that join together like so. You'll see right here where the handlebar assembly is. This is why I had to turn the seat around, because if the seat was around and the fat side of the seat was here, this wouldn't close that gap. Then the last thing you do is you put your thumb here in the pedal, pull out, fold it flat. Same thing on the other side, and there you go.
Hope to see you riding!